This is a small exercise to show the balancing of valgus knee. Here 4.5 degrees of valgus of native deformity, gaps after soft tissue, after the osteophyte resection 3 mm in medially in extension, 3 mm laterally in flexion. This tibia is in neutral, that is MPTA is neutral. Our desired valgus angle is 1 degree of valgus. Native valgus is 4.5 degree. We have kept so distal femur of 1 degree valgus, proximal tibia neutral. With that, we have kept distal femur resection of 6.5 mm medially and 3 mm laterally. If you correlate here with the conventional method, usually in valgus, we don't resect so much laterally in distal femur. So this is a functional alignment. What we are doing, we are keeping valgus deformity in slight valgus, that is reduced valgus. And in extension, as you see here, in flexion, as you see here, there was 3 mm laxity in flexion laterally. So we are externally rotating the femoral component to close the lateral laxity in flexion. We have closed up to 1 mm after we externally rotate to 2 degrees. Here what we did is, medially we have kept just a little slightly tight, minus 0.1, and laterally it is 1 mm. And in extension we have kept just little tight in medially, that is 0.5 mm, and laterally it is minus 1 mm. Just little tight means we have kept slightly more laxity laterally in flexion and slight more laxity in extension, almost equal. So what we are resecting is 5 mm medially in tibia and 6.5 mm laterally. This is a normal tibia, as you see, and we have kept valgus correction angle, that is a distal femur valgus angle of 1 degrees. This is a desired value. If you see here, not all valgus are same. Commonly what we see valgus is CPAC 3 type, that is we will be resecting less proximal tibia medially and more laterally, and apex distal. Here apex is neutral, apex neutral valgus. That means in this valgus soft tissues are not lax as much as seen in other kinds of valgus. After we do this planning, we are seeing here tracking is very well seen nicely. Posterior medial we are resecting 8 mm femur and 4.5 mm laterally to confirm that there is hypoplastic lateral femoral condyle. Then once we complete the resection using the robotic arm, then let us come to the final alignment after all this done. Finally, how much we have kept is the same thing we are expecting here. We are not doing any more releases. We are not doing any much changes after the resection. Here was the initial deformity. This is the initial planning. And this is the finally, you can see we have corrected the valgus to final alignment of 0.5 degree valgus, 1 mm laxity laterally in flexion, about 0.5 mm lateral laxity in flexion, in extension. This was the initial planning. This is the final X-ray. You can see very nice alignment. However, even with this, clinically, knee looks little more valgus than what we are seeing in the X-rays and the planning. However, patient is comfortable. We have not done any releases. This is at 2 days of post surgery. She has full flexion, full extension. Knee is absolutely balanced in flexion and extension. This is the functional alignment for valgus deformity with using MAKO.